I'm here with a layout, and I thought I was recording when I was putting this together, but then I went to stop recording to go let Coco out or something. I went to go do something else, and I needed to stop the recording, and I wasn't even recording the whole entire process. So anyway, this is my friend's daughter baking her Christmas cupcakes. So my background is basil cardstock, and I have a candy can layer, which is Hip Kit Club's Merry Everything, and then a red and white striped layer is the reverse side of the candy cane layer from the Hip Kit Club Merry Everything, and then that snowflake pattern behind the photos and journaling card is Hip Kit Club's Merry Everything Everything. So pretty much everything is the Merry Everything exclusive papers from Hip Kit Club for the November 2020 kit. Alright, so yeah, there we go. Alright, so the snow globe and that mug with florals is all the Hip Kit Club's Merry Everything ephemera. And then the stickers that I'm using are Hip Kit Club's Merry Everything as well. Pretty much everything on here is Merry Everything. I don't think there's anything except for I did use the candy cane, the bird, the Santa that's sleeping is the cardstock stickers. The stars are, of course, Merry Everything puppy stickers. But the phrase stickers that I use to kind of finish off the layout are Pretty Little Studios Christmas Cheer. And then I'm going to title this, of course, Christmas Banking 2020. Just so that way, this is my friend from elementary school. And this is her daughter doing some Christmas baking. And so I just want to put the year so that way then they know. Because the whole reason why I do scrapbooking and put all of these memories, even if they're not my children, I still scrapbook for others just so that way they have them. Because as a child, my pictures ended up in a box and we have even no clue. I mean, I have suspicions as to who has the box of pictures, and I've asked them to scan our baby pictures, but I have none of my baby pictures because my mom broke into my dad's house and stole our box of pictures, and now no one will say, hey, I have the pictures, and yeah, I'm happy to scan them. So I don't want that to happen to anyone else, to where they don't see, life as a child, so to speak. And I'm sorry, there's Theo, his annoying little self. So Christmas is American Crafts Simplicity stickers. Baking is American Crafts Merry Everything Puppy Alphabet stickers. And the 2020 is from the Merry Everything. No, I'm doing the keeping. Hold on, what is this? Oh, this is November. Okay, never mind. So yeah, this is the Merry Everything, even the 2020. I'm currently doing the December kit, so I was like, wait a minute. And then I'm just trying to get my title straight. It wasn't that straight. And now I want to add a few other things. So normally we would do brads, or sorry, enamel dots using the 3 different size dots, but I decided to use stars, which of course is Merry Everything. Everything here, except for this one. Here is the Pretty Little Studio phrase stickers that I use because the embellishment clusters just seemed like unfinished, and I have found that by just adding some phrase stickers helps finish it off. And then once I do that, I am thinking that I'm pretty much done. And then here, I guess I probably forgot that I was recording, and so I am writing down. I tend to get to scrapbooking and totally forget I'm recording because I'm just in the whole groove of everything. But once I write everything down, that pretty much finishes it off, completes it. So I just have to figure out where everything came from and then write it down for the process videos in my blog later on. So anyway, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and receive notifications when more videos are uploaded. And so when I have more done, I'll be back with this. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.